Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 70 Cliffside Drive on beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is the ultimate Bristol Harbor condo with breathtaking views.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
This first floor corner unit has a spacious art gallery entry, featuring custom stucco walls, wood-carved detailing, an antique door with copper hardware, and beautiful tiled floors.
Enjoy the lake lifestyle with a Tuscany-inspired design and exceptional open living. Featuring a white and bright kitchen with stainless steel appliances and a granite countertop breakfast bar. Open to the dining area with a wood stove. And a spacious living area with crown molding and iconic columns. All with walls of windows, balcony access, and those scenic lake views.
This rear waterfront end unit condo has 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a laundry, including a spacious owner's suite with a walk-in closet, an ensuite bath, and a bedroom with lake views.
Enjoy breathtaking and dramatic views from the sprawling waterfront balcony with stunning southern exposure and gorgeous views of Bear Hill. Enjoy the lake lifestyle. Bristol Harbor Village offers a clubhouse featuring living and gathering space with adjacent tennis courts. Enjoy easy access to the private sand beach. Even dock your boat at the harbor. Situated on the west side of Canandaigua Lake, Bristol Harbor is minutes away from the city of Canandaigua.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 70 Cliffside Drive on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!